where this is at.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northern LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, southeastern Ogle County in north-central Illinois, eastern Lee County in north-central Illinois, DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, southwestern King County in northeastern Illinois, until 7 a.m. At 5:55 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Amboy to Lamoille to near Depew, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include DeKalb, Ottawa, Sycamore, Peru, LaSalle, Rochelle, Sandwich, Mendota, Sheridan, Shabona, Lake Holiday, Cortland, Hinckley, Silmanock, Earlville, Waterman, North Utica, Hillcrest, Maple Park, and Malta. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 57 and 102. Interstate 80 between mile markers 74 and 103. Interstate 88 between mile markers 69 and 101. This includes Northern Illinois University, Sandwich Fairgrounds, and Tri-County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado warning remains